So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a AI chatbot to your WooCommerce store and boost your conversions and sales. So I'm going to talk about StoreAgent plugin, which is a AI enabled plugin for WooCommerce, where you can add a AI chatbot to your WordPress website, and you can also generate product description and product tags for your WooCommerce store. So let's check how it works. I have a AI chatbot added to my website. So let me go to the shop page here. And let's suppose I want to search for a mobile or smartphone. So let me type suggest me a smartphone and let me enter the prompt. So it will summarize all the product of your website and suggest you some products, suggest you the smartphone that is under $650 price range. So let's see how it goes. And as you can see, it has replied a message. First one is the Samsung S25 Ultra, and then we have Google Pixel 10. So both of the product are now listed on our website. So it will take the product of your WooCommerce store and suggest you the answers. So you can directly click on it and it will open the product page like this. And you can see now I am in the Samsung S25 Ultra. Now let me search for a universal charger. Suggest me a universal charger and let me hit enter. And as you can see, it has suggested some of the chargers. First one is Potronix adapter. So this is the Potronix adapter. You can see Potronix adapter, and then it has suggested the product link here. So let me search for something like Samsung charger, Samsung adapter. And as you can see, it has suggested the Samsung product as well. You can see the product. So let me enter my prompt. Which one is better, Samsung or Potronix? So you can see when comparing the Samsung original 25 watt Type-C charger and the Potronix, here are some factors considered based on their features. So you can see the features difference between both the chargers. So you can see you will get personalized answer using the AI chatbot. So let's close that and let's check how you can use this plugin to generate product description as well. Now you can click any one of the product. So let me select this universal charger, and here you can see there is a demo content. So we need to remove that first. And now I need to generate the description of this product. So I will click on generate with AI. Now it will show you some form. So you can set the product name universal charger for smartphone. Let me click on next. And here you can select the tone of your product. So let me select it as informative. Let's click on next. Now you can add your product descriptions. Charger for Android. Let me click on plus and I will type like support. So you can add product specification here. Let's click on next. Now you can set the age group or you can skip it. You can select the target audience as well. So let's keep it for now. And you can add a refund or guarantee information as well. You can add your keyword. So let me add charger. Let me click on plus adapter. So you can add your SEO description so that it will take all these keywords and put it in your description. Now let's click on next. Now if you have multiple sizes of your product, then you can assign that as well. For now, let me click on next, and you can keep the product description short. Let's click on generate product description. Now it is asking to set the age. So let me click on here, no age focus, and let me add target audience for man and woman. All right, let's click on generate product description. And as you can see, it has generated the description for you. So let me click on apply and the description is ready. And as you can see, the same fact that you have provided to the AI. So that is like 33 watt and it support iOS devices. So you can personalize your product description and generate it through AI. So that's cool. And you can also generate product tags as well. So let me click on that. And as you can see, it has generated the product tags for us. Now you can generate product short description as well, or you can also generate a AI summary of your reviews. So if you have multiple reviews, then it will summarize all these reviews and show it on the product page. So let me click on update. So this is the two main features of this plugin. So you can add a chatbot that answer your visitors questions and suggest them some products from your WooCommerce store, and you can generate the product description. So let's click on the store agent. Let me click on dashboard. So this is the dashboard of your store agent, and you can see it will suggest you that these products have missing short description. So you can easily generate a short description for this product. If you accept it, then the short description will be automatically added to the product. So this is a good feature. And let's click on settings. And here you can generate description for category, product tags, product summary AIs, product description, review summary AI. So there are multiple features. So you can control the AI chart setting as well, whether you want to enable the chart functionality or not. You can set a greeting message. You can add a placeholder name. You can set the position, like if you want to show it on the bottom right side or bottom left side or top right side. So all these options. Now you can set a communication tone, so you can set it like friendly tone or informative tone. So you can set that, and you can change your brand color of this chat button as well. So you have all these options. Now let's click on connection. So you need to connect your store agent account. So you have multiple plans. So first one is the light plan, which is free for all, and you can get 50 AI chat replies. But in free plan you will not get chat history option, or you can export your chat logs. So these are the specifications. But if you go with the growth plan, then you will get 500 AI chat replies. In pro plan you will get 5000 AI chat replies. So you can see the product specification here. Like in premium version you will get chat history. So if a user come back to your website again, then they can see the chat history. But if you are in the free version, then your visitors will not see their previous chat histories on your website. So there is some difference. So you can get the growth plan or pro plan. So it is suitable for individual store owners, and the pricing are pretty good. So in growth plan you will get $19 per month, and currently Black Friday sales is going on, so you will get additional discount. So let me click on start for free. Now here in this dashboard you can see the sites that are connected. You can see the subscription details, account details as well. So they have their knowledge base as well. So if you face any issues, then you can easily get the help from their website. So let me click on getting started with StoreAgent. So it is pretty easy to set up. All you have to do is search for the StoreAgent plugin in the WordPress dashboard, or you can get the link in the description. Just click on that and create a free account, or you can upgrade it to the pro plan as well. So you can see you need to install the plugin, and after that you need to connect your StoreAgent account, and it will automatically connect at your website. So the setup process is quite easy to use, and you can easily install the StoreAgent plugin in your WooCommerce store. So if you face any issues, then do let us know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to check out the StoreAgent plugin. The link will be given in the description. Thank you.